Hey guys, my name is Thomas Bresh. I'm the creator of a game called Neversong. It is a game about a boy in a coma. Click the link in the description to wishlist that game, or if it's already come out and you're watching this video, click the link in the description and give it a shot and play it. Maybe you'll like it. I'm gonna play it, but I'm gonna do something cool. Because I'm the creator, I can actually open up the game inside of Unity and unwrap it. So we're gonna play part 2 of this game. There's gonna be a lot of parts, so this is one of them. So let's open up Unity and play this game and hope it works. It's probably gonna have a few bugs, but whatever. Please wish list, it would mean a lot to me. Let's go. So we've got ourselves a glitch here, and I think this is because I didn't recently pull from what is called SourceTree, which is just it's a GUI for, or a GUI for GitHub. So a few bug fixes I haven't actually pulled down yet. So one of the bugs is I actually have my skateboard right now, which is okay actually. It's not gonna cause us any problems. Okay, the Redwind Field.
Pete, it's me, Bird. You woke up.
Hey, what's up?
I'm locked in this cage. That's what's up.
You sound upset.
I just saw Ren.
Really?
Yeah, a man carried her down into the Spiderian sewer.
So listen closely. To make this game sound dreamy, I added some of you might not like it, but I like it. You'll hear a subtle reverb on all of the voice acting. And it's not actually in the audio files. I'll show you how I did it.
Without her medication, I don't see her lasting much longer.
You hear that? It's just subtle reverb.
Okay, quick, use that bat to get me out of this cage.
All right. Ooh, we got ourselves a little nabby. All right, let's I'm gonna pause it for you here, or bring it down to a smaller size. I want to show you how we achieved that reverb. It was done in the audio mixer. So we have all of these different, what they're called snapshots. And the outdoor snapshot has 3 groups. We have clean, which is when I swing my sword, that's using the clean group. It's being passed through the clean group. Then there's also voiceover, and voiceover, let's see, I could probably click on it. It has a effect on it called SFX reverb. And with all these different settings here, giving a very subtle reverb to all of the voiceover. And that changes depending on your location. If I'm inside of a cave, we set the snapshot with code. We say, if you entered cave, set the snapshot to cave. And that snapshot is gonna determine what the effects are and what the settings are in each group. Not sure if that makes sense. All right, let's save. What's this? A heart fizzle. If you collect 100 of these, you'll get another heart. Gracias.
Everyone knows the taste of snow. Have you tasted it yourself? Nothing tastes as good as our steaks. Come to Johnson's Steakhouse in El.
Hey, buddy. Ooh, what's that? So, when I let my brother play this demo, or the demo of this game, you couldn't do a downward swing to like hit enemies and you wouldn't pop up after you hit them. And he was really bothered by that. That was like his #1 gripe with the whole game is, why am I not bouncing when I swing my bat down on an enemy? I should bounce and pop off. I should be rewarded for a trick like that. And so I immediately the next day told Eric, we gotta get this done. This is a priority. This is the highest priority. And that's just because it's my older brother, and I think that everything he says is pretty much gospel.
Parkour.
Parkour, okay. Hello, Gomboisa. Hi.
Up here, Pete.
I see you.
It is I, the mighty parkour ninja, Gomboisa, at your service.
Have you seen Ren, Gomboisa?
Yeah, I just saw some guy take her down into the Spiderian sewer. He was just crawling around, dragging her in a cage. Not sure if that's a problem.
What?
I tried to help, honest. But, well, I already told John I'd help him find his dad. So, yeah, I'm busy.
You're a jerk. Dude!
Just kidding. Yeah, Ren taught me how to get on these egg things. she just never taught me how to get down. Still trying to work that out.
Okay. Who's that voice actress? Her name is Tiffany. I can't remember her name. Why can't I remember her last name? She's a prominent voice actress for a lot of different anime series. Golden box here. I'll remember it. Looks like a coma card.
These things are all the rage in Redwind. There's a ton of them hiding all over the place. Be sure to collect and equip to change your outfit.
So these aren't actually gonna work. I don't think they will. If I press space on them, yeah, they don't work. Actually, it does work. Yeah, I got my headband. It just didn't actually turn the star gold, which is this little star here. It should turn gold. So that's a bug, but that's been fixed for the Steam version. Where's the music? Okay, we're good. All right. Dude, who are you?
Hey, Puke Face! Get over here and help me! I'm stuck!
How did this happen? Simeon?
Isn't it obvious, Puke?
No, I don't know why on earth you are stuck in this well.
I have hypoinflammatory disorder. I inflate randomly.
Oh, I see. That makes plenty of sense. What can I do to help?
Give me my sewing needle, Puke Fart. My mom gave it to me for emergency pottage for just such occasions.
I think it's hilarious. Sorry, I still laugh at my own dialogue. I just love it. There was a reviewer who reviewed Pinstripe, just a user, and he said that my dialogue is cringy. And I think that it is cringy, but it makes me laugh at the same time.
Those little turds, the spiders, snatched it right out of my pocket and ran up a tree.
Spiders?
What are you, stupid? Ever since your precious little Ren went missing, things have gotten strange. So hurry up. If you don't get me my sewing needle fast, the spiders are gonna bite my face off.
I'm on it. Okay, by the way, guys, all of the children in this game are female voice actresses. I found that female voice actresses are really good at doing children's voices. This one, her name was... Oh man, I'm gonna get in big trouble. I can't remember all of these names. I know her name. I'm gonna just slap it up on the screen. I can't, I promise you, I've had like really deep, not really deep, but long conversations over email with all of these actresses. They do a great job. I just can't remember their name right now. Because I'm terrible with names. Sometimes I call my daughter my wife's name, and sometimes I call my wife my daughter's name. Okay, so I'm not great. I have bad memory. Good job! Ooh. So this was the very first thing that I put in this game. It originally looked like a butt. A giant butt, but I felt like maybe not for this age group. I want like 6-year-olds, 7-year-olds to be able to play this game. And it was a butt, and I don't know if that would be okay. Nice, okay. I'll go ahead and shrink down the screen size for you guys and let you see both the scene view and the field, or the game view as well. Let's go to our screen boxes here, go to frame 1, 2, 3, here we go. And so I just want to let you guys watch what happens to the screen boxes as we move along. And my brother was right, you know? Doing that downward hit is probably the funnest part of enemy design in this game. Okay. So having an explosion of particles coming out of all of the breakable objects is insanely important to give it a nice game feel. Okay, what's over here? Let's go. Ooh. Okay, I think that's the sewing needle. Let's just go ahead and maximize for you guys. now that you've seen what it looks like in scene view.
Pete, check it out in the tree. Is that Simeon's sewing needle?
Sure, grab it, bird. What's this?
Ren's favorite spot.
Oh. Whoa, buddy. The slug was here. What is your problem?
Watch out for Punky. That's me, Punky.
Hi, Punky.
Simeon said I should go and find him some help, but I'm too busy dancing. You like my dance moves?
I do. Yeah.
It's my birthday. I'm so proud of myself for turning another age. I'm finally old enough to start learning how to math and how to science.
Wow, Punky. That's that's amazing.
Nah, wanna hear the real reason I'm dancing?
Sure.
Well, a sneaky spider came up and whispered in my ear. Wanna know what he said?
Yes.
He said, Dr. Smile's gonna eat your thighs. Did you hear that?
Okie dokie. You are a interesting little boy. Alright, let's make our way to Simeon the inflatable child and give him a good old poppage. That sounds weird.
My sewing needle. Give it to me, McButtface.
Did you just call me McButtface?
Oh, pop me. It hurts so bad, but you have to pop me.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Go, go, go.
All right. That's actually my voice. Yeah, that's my voice. The falling. I recorded that. I think it was in 2018. I had to scream in my office while my daughter and my wife were playing in the living room. They heard me scream that. Welcome to Game Dev. Here we go. Are you gonna load, my friend? I hope so. I hope so. Man, it's always scary playing your own game. You just never know.
Help, help. These spiders are gonna eat me.
Whoa, buddy, where you going? Okay, so we're in the Spiderian sewer. Let me turn up the volume a little bit for you guys. Whoa. All right, let's open up, I wanna show you guys something. You're gonna like this. Let's open up a spider inside of Spine. Here's our spider. Let's go to our actual Spine file. I believe that's all the way up here. There we go. Spine project files, all the way inside of the enemies. And it's called Spider. There we go, let's open you up. So we're gonna double click on that and it's gonna open up in a program called Spine. And we're using 3.793. So let's open this up and show you guys what the characters look like in Spine. All right. So as you can see, it's just not a super high res PNG or set of PNGs, and they all have different bones. So if you wanted to, we could move the bone like this. We could move this bone here. We could actually move the fangs as well. The wings, they don't really need bones. All they need to do is flash in and out to show that they are flapping their wings. See that? So they just literally flicker in and out. Actually, that's right. They're transitioning to a blurred PNG. So let me show you. So we have a blurred PNG, and then see how they're just up here? They're just switching in and out. And these are created in Photoshop. So it starts in Photoshop. We have all these different layers in Photoshop. We export them to Spine 2D, and then we export it out inside of, or export it into Unity. And you can see we've actually got two skins. We've got one skin, which is the regular spider, and then we have the flyer one that actually jumps and flaps its wings when it jumps. And there's an attack state where it actually jumps at you. The legs are screwed up because I just moved them. There's a charge state. There's a hit state, so that's all it looks like when you hit it. There's a land state. When it lands, makes that body look heavy. There's a stand state, and there's a walk state. Now, as you guys can see, there's not a lot of complexity here when it comes to the animation. It's very basic. What makes it feel good is the physics that are applied to the spider when it moves, and also the particle effects. So you'll notice that we have these scripts here, this walking script, and it's called play variations. And not scripts, what I mean is events. See these little words coming up? Those are actually sent to Unity, and Unity reads it and goes, hey, I need to play a variation of a sound. And so it's going to play a random pitch for the stepped sound effect. And what that's also going to do is it's going to emit particles as well as it's walking. So you can see here, all the way down here, you have these purple keyframes, and this is emit particles, pitch variation, and all of these are going to tell Unity what to do as the player, or as the enemy, steps on the ground. So it's going to emit particles, and it's going to play a random pitched sound effect. So let's jump into Unity, and hopefully you guys can see that happening here. Whoa! You can barely hear the sound effect, but you can see the particles emitting from his feet. See that? That's because of those purple keyframes that tell Unity to emit the particles. Oh, I'm locked in. So you see the wings flapping.
The world. Driving. The stress of everyday traffic. Consider Shannon's taxi services. Call 555-5555.
I thought that was pretty fun. We're going to stop right here. We're going to do another episode soon. Probably in the description, maybe. You know what's also in the description? Wishlisting. Wishlist Neversong. Give it a shot. It would really mean a lot to me. I can't talk. We're going to try and hit 50,000 wishlists by launch day, which is May 20th. Man, I'm going to cross my fingers, knock on the wood, and give a good old-fashioned prayer and hope we hit 50,000 wishlists. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. More episodes coming soon. Bye. Talk to you later. See ya. Have fun. Give it a shot. Have a good time. Happy birthday.